back into your studies through our virtual classroom. Let's begin our session. Today we are going to discuss about the shapes, 2D shapes and 3D shapes or solid shapes. The objects around us come in various shapes and sizes. We can see many shapes like triangles, rectangles or circles everywhere around us. Moreover, a sheet of paper has a shape of rectangle. In our day-to-day life, we can see several objects around us which have different shapes. For example, books, ball, ice cream cone, pencil box, water bottle, etc. One thing common in all these objects is that they all have some length, breadth and height or depth. Thus, they have 3 dimensions and so we can call them as 3D shapes. 3D shapes are also known as solid shapes. Solid shapes occupy space. Come children, let's learn more about shapes. Let me introduce the 2D shapes. This is a square. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. A square has 4 sides at 4 corners. All the sides of a square are same. All the sides of a square are same. Next shape is rectangle. Rectangle also has 4 sides and 4 corners. Rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. The opposite sides of a rectangle are same. The opposite sides of a rectangle are same. This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. This is a circle. A circle has no sides and no corners. A circle has no sides and no corners. Let me introduce the solid shapes or 3D shapes. This is a cube. A cube has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. A cube has 6 faces and 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A cube has 8 corners and it has 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A cube has 12 edges. Edges are the lines where 2 faces meet. All the faces of a cube are same. All the faces of a cube are flat and the edges also are flat. So we can say that a cube has 6 flat faces and 12 flat edges. Let's take another shape, cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A cuboid has 6 faces. It also has 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A cuboid has 8 corners. It has 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A cuboid has 12 edges. All the characteristics of cube and cuboid are same, but the only difference is cube is made up of squares and cuboid is made up of rectangles. All the faces of a cube are same. On the other hand, the opposite faces of a cuboid are same. A cuboid also has flat faces and flat edges only. We can say that a cuboid has 6 flat faces and 12 flat edges. This is a cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces. 1, 2 and 3. A cylinder has 3 faces. It has no corners. A cylinder does not have a corner. A cylinder has 2 edges. A cylinder has 2 edges. As we already told, a cylinder has 3 faces. It has 1 curved face and 2 flat faces. A cylinder has 1 curved face and 2 flat faces. It has 2 curved edges. It has 2 curved edges. This is a cone. A cone has 2 faces. 1, 2. 1 curved face and 1 flat face. A cone has 1 edge. The edge is curved. A cone has 1 curved edge. It has 1 corner called the vertex. This is a sphere. It has only 1 face. A sphere has only 1 face. It does not have a corner or an edge. A sphere does not have a corner or an edge. The face of a sphere is curved. So we can say that a sphere has only 1 curved face. That's all for today. We'll meet you soon with the next topic. Bye.